If you want to clear cache on your Samsung phone, so first of all, open up your app drawer and find your settings icon. Right, open your settings, and after that we're gonna locate the app section. Depending on the OS version, it might be labeled as applications or programs. On mine, it's just apps. Right, after that we're gonna scroll to the app and we're gonna scroll and find an app which we want to clear. For example, we want to clear a cache of our Google Chrome. So find your Google Chrome, then let's do this again. Then we're gonna scroll down to our storage section. And in the storage section, simply press clear cache. And basically that's it. Wait until your cache result will show 0. And it means our process is complete. Once we've done, we can go back to our home screen. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.